I am a sedimentologist and my job is to describe sediment through smear slide. So why we make smear slide is because the sediment, especially the sediment on the flanks of the mid-Atlantic ridge, is mostly composed of fine particles that are not visible with naked eye. So we need to collect a small amount of sediment from the archaic cove. We dissolve it with water on top of a small glass, and then we put a cover and analyze it under the microscope. What we can see under the microscope is mostly nanofossil ooze, so the part of the plankton that falls down on the seafloor, but we can also see clay and silty material. And with the smear slide we can also identify the mineral as well as the macro and nano organisms that compose the sediment on the flanks of the mid-Atlantic ridge.